Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Binance account in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Binance application and tap on your Forgot Password tab on the bottom of your screen. Finally, once you've done that, it'll ask you to go ahead and have a security verification either through SMS, Google Authenticator, or email. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and have your identity verification as well. Upload your clear photos of generic ID, vital for manual review, and you will also go ahead and need to give them a statement video. So record a video holding ID and reading the generic statement. Avoid VPNs as well. Once you've already provided the proof of recent deposit from a non-Binance wallet, your account will be recovered. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.